I'm going in the bird room. Oh, who do we see here? Some conures playing in the room. Step up. Good bird. Hi, Holly. Hi. Hello, Missy. Oh, who we have here? We got little Blueberry. Hi, little Blueberry. Hello, little Blueberry. I can hardly see you in there. Oh, here we go. This is little Willow. Hi, Willow. What you doing? Hi, Blue. Such a good bird. Yes, you are. Aw, hi, Blue. There we go.
What did she need to perform her nasty deed? She needs some really nasty stuff.
Mama and baby. Yeah. Good bird. Ow. 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 Ah, good bird. Can't believe Holly gave me a kiss. Good girl, Holly. Good girl. Yeah, hi, Willow. Little Blueberry needs attention too. Hi, little Blueberry. Hi, little Blueberry. Here's a little Miss Willow. Ooh, lighting is not very good. Hi, Willow. There's little Willow. Holly. Best lighting here. Ooh, look at that. Two little birdies on my arm. Boom, 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 boom. Hi. Ooh. Were you watching cartoons? Were you watching cartoons, little stinkers? Oh my goodness, look at you. So cute. Mwah. I love you, little Willow. Love you too, Holly. Oh, such a good bird. Yeah. You being nice and cute tonight. Yeah, you too, Blueberry. Good boy. Toot, tooty, toot, toot, toot.